Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warwick LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warwick LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yeah, me just want to make you know that she not trim. I like Queen Ifrica. She just a protect. She and I lie she tell no, but she just a project that image there for some level of attention seeking Rasta. And that's a so alone and she try to get I and I in a trouble. Because she know it all break I and I will run with it. And find out what I mean. That concerning Queen Ifrica meant a lot to us. But she going to teach us say, listen, the arms of flesh will fail you. You dare not trust your own. And I give thanks. Yes, I. Greetings, brothers and sisters, in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty, Emperor Haile Selassie the First. And all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Welcome, viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe. Share and like the platform and make it grow. See, now that one here is a pursuance, a follow-up of Queen Ifrica's new appearance, where we did try to understand last night. Now, I'm going to quickly declare, say, it's a fake thing. You saw me say she just do her hair that way that make it look like, say, she cut her locks. You know, see, so she purposely create a projection there. You know, see, for people feel like, say, seeing that might be the case of some sort. Now, really and truly, realistically, the first thing I wonder, you see me know where the average people benefit from such actions. See, now, me I look upon, say, the wavelength where I'm on observe Queen Ifrica upon, or the standard where I'm on old Ifrica upon, I'm on the see them thing there should be, a contributor to any form of benefits to Queen Ifrica Rasta for she create them projection there out in the public. See, first of all, Queen Ifrica mean a whole lot to a dying breed. See, for her imagery, for her presence alone maintain a fabric where I deteriorate day by day. See, and the firmness with which she hold it. It's like everybody art, all of I and I art, she secure. She and nobody and nothing for worry about. We just know say a safety we are worried about and long life and health and strength with Queen Ifrica. See, so immediately when millions of people who have the same outlook and dependency and expectation observe them projection there in our face, that coming like a mother just come home from work and just start beat the whole of children them after them be good all day, all week. Them come home and wash up the dishes them and keep the living room and everywhere tidy, bedroom tidy and everything till mommy come home and she have to do a go to bed. And she just come home and beat the children them out of pure spite, Rasta. See it? Pure, just for fear herself. Just for fear herself satisfaction. Some sick, twisted satisfaction. See it? Straight up it coming like a that go on. And what you expect? I mean, you know how people are going to react. You know how people are going to feel towards that. You know about iconography. You know what them thing they mean. Iconically. big idiot thing that my heart break. I said I not sleep last night for nothing, you know. All night last night, I sit down up and made the thing and I said, Janu, you know, Queen Ifrica. And then the project, the argument, the attitude behind it again. There is no other way where she want people to think. Now, why you don't want to think like that? I must youth like me, you want trap. Because you know youth like me, heart I go break and that something like that I go affect me personally. And you know the one side I ask how that will be affect you personally. You're a public figure, you're a Rastafari and Rasta struggle. And you see it and know in terms of standard and integrity. You see where the people and the boy them down there go on with around you right across the world, Rasta. And when the whole world look and see that, what you think? How you think people are going to feel? A big play full monkey game that you can play with, man. That's a Rasta. You know see? A joke thing, how can I eat that attention seeking that? Like when I get senile or something in a 150s. Kind of thing that Rasta. I'm on vex Rasta. Come like one about wolf. You know see it? Man pick up everything and run every day. Run come look what I go on and when man come a joke, a laugh, you laugh in a man face. In a serious time. I hate that thing that. You know see, you know you like me, I go pick up that and put that pan man thing and try to find out what I go on. You know see it? And you wind up man in your little fuckery. You fuck with games. You pick me childish blood clot games. You know see it? I mean, sure. Actually, you don't even know. You go on like a, what you think? Where you ask, you justify yourself now and defend yourself. Defend your action regarding I and I. The effect by I and the ripple effect. On a teaching program like this, so we are trying to edify and educate I people. See, you make I man present broken heart story. How kind of eat that thing that Rasta? What kind of projection that? With your pink ear and all of them thing the Rasta. You know see? And I should have go add another video there, you know, because the video they come like a test, you try it. Yeah, dip your foot in the water for sure what you really want. Because them things that are normal. Them things that are normally acceptable. And them things, them kind of thing that, you know, like a show me your company, me tell you who you are type of thing. You know, see, speak of the devil and it appear type of thing. Kind of energy that you project. You create a thing where it's not a natural thing to Rasta. For be the one we create heresy purposely. You know see it? Let me continue a petty dibby publicity stunt. You know see, definitely did focus some energy in them same focus their energy in the struggle with the black suffering population around on our field every day. Every day you get up and make a little pretty speech. Want to sit down for the whole year and study. Our observation we're out of the whole year right alone and observe. You pick up pan. And then one day you make a pretty speech and act like you can relate and still relatable to get the people. Them time you want to have I look them start as tension and Rasta. I out there investigate what go on and I use on the platform to represent Matthew Rodney, a single-handed man where I take on the hotel industry down there where mainly foreign owned. Where I work, your brothers and sisters them for little and nothing. This is a pivotal argument. You know see it? See Zinga King get trimmed down the other day. Yeah. And we not see them sort of effort and energy go in and try effecting a legislative change where the boy can discriminate no black man can discriminate no black man or black woman because of the quality of them hair or the style of them hair in Jamaica today. And we have Rasta woman come post in a pink hair and TikTok come make it look like say she trim like a cut she cut her locks, one of the last surviving. I test the water, mama. I see if them would accept you. I see I try to see what the repercussion will be like. You know? And you just launch yourself in the camera like say, yeah, develop one of them crisis there. You know see? Mama, you're elder now, you know. Yeah, man. You're elder now, man. You have to recognize that, you know. Them think the world back some way and cause some of in them problem in the rest. Because you know come to terms with human mortality. You know see, we are big people and still feel like so we should have out there in the happy gang with the little children them run up and down. We don't know if we go put up a foot. You know see, we don't know if we transition and enjoy the stages of life. We come with the gift of life, Rasta. You know see, it's unacceptable, man. I'm not come for make no apology for the video because I was purposely misled by an attention-seeking big old Rasta woman Rasta. You know see? Yeah. Now, Jano, somewhere along the line I might have interjected and put in the picture and show and say as a setup thing. You know see, without consideration, without responsible consideration, reasonable and responsible consideration for people who genuinely love and appreciate the Empress as she is and see her as solid as a rock. You know see? And then the Empress now come use some little Babylon laws. Some Babylon laws. And I project some little iconographic image in the world. And I get away with it under the Libel Act. Babylon Libel Act. Knowing say at desperate times we in here now, both as Jamaican and as black people, and all who have an understanding, a full standing, so we in our situation, depend upon people like herself to maintain a standard, continue be an example, Rasta. You know see? But through Babylon have a law where them can't go say, yes sir. You know see, them create this thing here for distract as a distraction from the true effort that needs all attention and energy. You know see, only people them I man apologize to is the people them who I enable for watch this piece of puppetry, this piece of theatrics. You know see, the only people them who I apologize to is the people them who I enable for watch this piece of falsehood. You know see it, Rasta? Yeah. No disrespect. Yeah, we not to dwell monks and inner them start a thing. I love how I do it still. You know see, I love how I do it. And probably for that reason I'm good at them move that video there. Make them go do what them want to do, because I set up the world, Rasta, set up innocent people, hungry people who are waiting for them to eat. You know see, them move the fireplace and have the food that cook around our back and the original fireside empty. So when people come at the gate and look, them not see no food that cook, them just turn back and gone, them not bother wait and ask nothing, cause them have to go use the time we left for find some food before night come. Cause this was the plan, this was the expectation. You know, it's a regular thing. So, you know, see, yeah. And move the fireplace and put it on her back. And when you're gone now, can't find nothing for you. Dead for hungry. Wake up a man. You can't wake up a morning because you're dead for hungry. Then blame you somewhat and not take no responsibility. Like them never think about that before and know say the people them come and them see the fireplace in its usual position. Them are automatically thinks enough food now cook. You see it? So them justify themselves and blame those who were dependent on them. So without apology, one of the biggest childishness that you go on with, Ifrica. Biggest childish, because you need to come out and explain to the people and what go through your head if somebody spike your drink or something like that. Because I be a Mali down there flying at the ear now, and it'll make everybody feel this. You know, see, you comb your ear back and you pink it out. Not even that way I expect from a Rasta Empress. Them color there in her ear. No. It's not even not acceptable neither. You know, see. Yeah, it just come like a some gay girl dready business that I go on there. So. You know, see. I saw them thing that go all over the world, like them type of colors there. The gay girl them wearing them dread. Not that we are insinuate anything else, so we just point out the reality to those who might not know or might not pick up at the moment. You know, see, and if you never did a pick up, now you realize, because if a gray hair you cover, you can get the color of your natural hair in a dye. If you dye that. And nobody now lick out upon that or nobody business that. You know, see, so them pink business there is like a sort of, you know what I say, an indicator to, you know, some other level of persuasion. We don't appreciate love that. Because Rasta not have time for seek no attention. You know, see, Rasta business, Rasta unattractive. You know, see, we know say from beginning, from the moment you say Rastafari, your mother, your father, your sister, your whole family, prepare for them denounce you. When I say it a go happen, it have to happen. But this is the depth of denial where you're supposed to expect as a Rasta and live with that. You see, this big high expectation and happy-go-lucky, malarkey business is supposed to be part of we. We if you use the opportunity to impress or imply some level of consciousness amongst the youth them. You see, probably I show the younger one them how to care for your locks rather than a project to them say you can trim it if you want when you want. I watch it, I want with them on the fence now, you know, where I observe the whole thing, you know. You see, the moment them see a picture like that, them 50-50 with Babylon and Rastafari, and then them look and them see a video like that, you see, automatically 25% more what a focus gone on the Babylon side, you know, because I must say, yeah, immediately, without even concern or knowledge or anything, why Queen Ifrica do that. Immediately, a vast percentage of them attention, them focus, them attraction get drawn to the Babylon side of things. You know, see, and when them work out what really go on now, whether a true, if she do it for true, them proper switch. A vast majority of people were up on the fence. See, I say if she not do it for true, a 75% of them still there over there so in the Babylon thing, you know, psychologically connected and, you know, me I say like adored, loved, more admired type of thing. You know, see, because even when them say, oh, I joke, she didn't make them, I can't explain the psychological factors where at play, but the 100% of respect when it there. They might can't articulate it, but not there no more. Me I tell you that. I feel no way I do around them young people nowadays Rasta. You know see it. Anyway, I hate that you know that me I say I know everybody's supposed to know me and deal with, you know. The woman not trim. She not trim. I lie she I tell.